Hi, I'm Damian from DAGO Express. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage employee access within a company in the DAGO Express ShipperHub. First, log into your DAGO Express ShipperHub account, click your profile icon and select Change Company. Here, you'll see the list of all companies linked to your account. On the left-hand side, click on Settings and Additional Functions. Then, select Account Members or Other Employees. On the screen, under the selected company, you'll see the list of employees already added to the account. At this stage, you can also set up a shared dispatch email for your team. This allows multiple employees to access the same account, so everyone can view orders, track shipment statuses, and receive updates in real time. This setup is especially useful for teams or departments as it improves communication and keeps everyone aligned when managing shipments. You can apply this setup to your other companies as well. To add a new employee, go back to the Change Company section and choose the company where you want to add members. Click Add New Employee. Enter the employee details such as gender, name, email, preferred language, and contact number. Then click Add New Employee again to save. Once added, the employee will receive a verification email. After verifying, they can log in and start booking and managing shipments under the same account. Finally, aside from adding employees, you can also control booking services in the control center. You can choose which company appears in the billing address as well as assign which employee among those added to that company is responsible for each booking, and that's how you can manage your team and invoices efficiently in the DAGO Express ShipperHub. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips, and stay updated with our latest guides.
DAGO Express.